The beauty of Japan's changing seasons, a harmony of tradition, technology, and culture, gave rise to excellence in manufacturing, a constant pursuit of beauty, durability, and usability. Panasonic products from Japan are deeply imbued with this Japanese spirit. Japanese cuisine's fresh ingredients required advanced features such as precise temperature and uniform freezing. This high quality has won worldwide acclaim. Panasonic sets the bar high in manufacturing, continually subjecting its refrigerators to rigorous testing. Trouble-free operation, no matter how harsh the environment. From hot and humid to extreme cold, products are subjected to myriad conditions. They are carefully checked for condensation and effects on electrical performance. For the toughness and durability to resist mechanical failure, a vertical-horizontal vibration test is performed. Also, impact and shock resistance tests. Doors are repeatedly opened and closed. Dependability, wear and function tests ensure years of use. Reliable, comfortably quiet operation. Operating noise is tested in an anechoic chamber. Microphones are aimed at the compressor and fan. Every product on the production line undergoes an electrical current test. Only after passing all of these tests is a product shipped. Japan's manufacturing excellence has become a global standard. A simple, sleek, and elegant form, tough enough to withstand years of use. Convenient, easy-to-use features, all guaranteed by Japan quality.
Panasonic.